There's this little skill that I've been wanting to learn for quite a while, and today's the day. And that skill is poker chip shuffling. What poker chip shuffling is, you take a stack of 2 different colored poker chips. You might have seen this if you've ever watched poker on TV. And somehow they move their hand in just a way to pick the chips up and push them into one pile, alternating the colors of the chips. I have no idea how hard this is to learn. I haven't watched really anything on what it takes to learn this or how intensive it is. I'm just going to kind of dive in, see what I can figure out right away, and then go from there. All right, so the goal here is going to be to make 3 stacks in a row that alternate colors so I can ensure that this is a skill learned and that I can do it consistently. So, to start. All right, so I basically have no progress right now, so I'm gonna try just lessening the amount of chips and see if that helps at all. I'm just gonna do 2 in each stack. I can already feel this muscle connecting my pinky getting fatigued. You gotta, every single time you like push in. Okay, fine, I did it. I did some research online, I broke down, I was getting no progress. So I went online, read some articles on how to do this. I was doing it wrong. So now that I have a better idea of how to do it, I'm gonna start practicing the right way. Hopefully, things come together a little better. No pun intended. So it said the best way to do this isn't your thumb in the middle, but these 3 fingers, your thumb, pinky, and ring finger on the right hand stack, and your other 2 fingers on the left hand stack. You want the left hand stack, the first chip, to stay on the table. You really don't even touch it. So you grab with these 3 fingers, put pressure on the first 2 chips. Bear in mind I haven't done this yet, and then you squeeze together and they fall into place, or they should. Oh. I can see how that's better. It's just squeezing it together now is kind of tricky. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, there we go. Whew. First triple stack. Ooh, that was pretty good. Dare I try 4? Actually, it wasn't that bad. Oh, 4. First one. All right, we're back at it, day 2. Still working on stacks of 4. Getting a little bit better at it, but not totally consistent. Just gonna keep on practicing. So this keeps happening to me. I shuffle them, but then there ends up to be 2 on the top here. And I think I figured out a way to stop this. So So to stop it, I kind of need to, at the top of the shuffle, lift this last piece on the right-hand side. So I'll squeeze them together. Top one I'll kind of have to lift over. And then work them together like that. So that's the key that's worked for me so far. All right, back at it, day 3. Feeling good about day 3. Let's make this happen. All right, so I'm able to get this stack of 10 5 out of 10 times, which means the probability of doing it 3 times in a row is 12.5%, which also means I should have already done this like a long time ago, but for whatever reason, I will build one stack, take it apart, and then I just am not able to do the second one. And I'll fail on the second one, and then do another one, get it, fail on the next one. It's like I get one, fail one, get one, fail one, just never multiple in a row. Gonna just keep on practicing and know that the numbers will eventually work out, but it's just getting a little frustrating, but we'll definitely make it happen. Alright, so my mind is going numb. I'm gonna take a little break from this, but I'll be back. We're back from the break. I want to get this done so bad, so let's do it. Alright, I'm going to go up to 6. Maybe if I make it harder and then go back, 5 will seem a little bit easier. Kind of a last-ditch effort. One. Wish me good luck. That's 2. 2. Three. I am done. Look at that. Oh. Finally. That took so long. It was the good luck of the cat, I think. Here. He helped me out. Oh, finally. I'm so glad I finally got that.